Desiccant Dehumidifier. Our dehumidifiers are equipped with a uniquely developed desiccant rotor, allowing us to supply ultra-dry air with a dew point as low as -90 Celsius, something conventional dehumidifiers cannot achieve. The desiccant dehumidifier works by passing air through the rotor, which absorbs moisture and dehumidifies the air. The moisture-laden rotor is then heated to release the moisture. This continuous cycle of adsorption and release ensures a stable supply of dry air. While conventional dehumidifiers use electric heaters as a heat source, our energy-saving models use a heat pump system that recovers waste heat from cooling coil and other equipment. This allows us to reduce energy costs by up to 50% compared to traditional systems.